Good afternoon, respected faculty and fellow students. Today, firstly, I'll introduce myself. My name is N. Guruharika from degree second year. Today, I'm standing in front of you to speak about SAARC, the role of SAARC in promoting regional cooperation in South Asia. Before directly entering into the topic, I would like to give a brief information about SAARC. SAARC is a regional organization which was established in Dhaka on 8th December 1985. It was established with an objective to promote mutual cooperation and unity among the South Asian nations. It also aimed to promote cultural development, economic growth and social progress among the South nations. And at the time of formation, SAARC has 7 members, namely India, Pakistan, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Maldives. In its 14th summit in 2007, Afghanistan joined SAARC as its 8th member. As we already spoke about objectives of SAARC, to achieve its objectives, SAARC had initiated many measures like SAFTA, South Asian Free Trade Area, which reduces the tariffs and promote economic growth. It also initiated SAARC Development Fund, which is used to promote welfare of the people and to improve their quality of life. Even though after doing many great initiatives, SAARC became a failure. And the reasons for its failure is its India and Pakistan's political rivalry. Because of this political rivalry, Pakistan had objected many initiatives led by India, like Vehicles Motor Agreement, and also lack of interest among the member nations. Many nations have a perspective that India is dominating in the SAARC and it will not allow others to speak up about its opinion. And also its structural default, its decision making, where in SAARC a particular decision will be taken if it comes if everyone agree on it. And based on this, Pakistan had started disagreeing every initiative of India. And you know, when last time SAARC has held its summit, 2014 was the last time when SAARC members met. And after 10 years, SAARC is again trying to revive itself and to revive itself and to promote regional cooperation in South Asia. Thank you, sir.